Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. I am Feni Hamlul Masuni from Islamic Library Information Science in Tulungagung. Here I will explain 7 most beautiful libraries in Indonesia. Check it out.
1. National Library of the Republic Indonesia. National Library of Indonesia is located on Medan Merdeka Selatan, Central Jakarta, directly opposite the National Monument. This building was actually built on May 17, 1918. However, President Joko Widodo inaugurated the National Library Service Facility building on September 14, 2017, consisting of 27 floors. National Library is awarded the title as the highest national library in the world. National Library is not only a place for book collection, but also has various other facilities. For example, the theater room, audio-visual service, reading culture area, data center, rare book collection service, and the location of the office of the Indonesian Academy of Science. You can also enjoy the auditorium, exhibition hall, facilities for children and people with disabilities, as well as a cafe for reading casual books.
2. Library, the University of Indonesia. The main library building on the University of Indonesia campus is very large, reaching 2.5 hectares, with a total collection of up to 5 million books. Every day, it is known that around 20,000 people visit the library, which is nicknamed the Crystal of Knowledge. Not only does it have a cool architectural form, the position of this University of Indonesia library is also unique because it directly faces the University of Indonesia Lake. 3. Grahtama Pustaka Library. Grahtama Pustaka is a library located in Bantul, Yogyakarta. The library, which is located in Yogyakarta, costs Rp 72.5 billion to build. Grahtama Pustaka itself contains the meaning of saving Suaka. This library is one of the large libraries in Indonesia, as well as the most comprehensive library in Yogyakarta. Grahtama Pustaka provides various kinds of book collection, including children's books. Even the first floor of the building was made especially for children. There is a reading room that contains children's books, a fairy tale room, a playroom, and a music room. 4. Balai Pustaka Soeman Hasibuan. This 6-floor building functions as a library building, an ancient archive storage area, as well as a public space for the community. There is also a multi-purpose room or auditorium, which is usually used as a place to hold events such as exhibitions, book reviews, presentations, and community gatherings. The splendor of the building and the completeness of the facilities it is have earned Balai Pustaka Soeman Hasibuan the title of the best library in ASEAN 2015. 5. Freedom Institute Library. One of the uniqueness of the Freedom Institute Library in Menteng, Central Jakarta, is the minimalist building concept. Reading books in the library is certainly very comfortable because there are soft sofas. So, you don't need to be tired reading books while standing. You can add various collection of books with interesting themes here, ranging from socio-political themes, culture, to rare books in foreign language. But unfortunately, the Freedom Institute's books cannot be borrowed and can only be read directly on location. However, if you really want to read the contents of these books at home, you can photocopy the part of the book you want. 6. Bandung Institute of Technology Library. This library provides millions of books of various types, both related to science, magazines, as well as Institute Teknologi Bandung students' thesis and dissertation results. The atmosphere of the building tends to be minimalist and comfortable, perfect for a seminar or book review. 7. Andalas University Library. Andalas Library has a fairly adequate book collection. The difference between this library and other libraries is located in the Minangkabau Corner, which is the center for the study of Minangkabau cultural information. Of course, in this library you can add to your insight into Minang culture.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.